Good. That's better. Welcome to the Animal Amphitheater and Elephant Roundup. Did you know that elephants are the largest land mammals on the face of the earth today? There are two species of elephant, the African and the Asian. At this time, I'm pleased to present you with 2 of the 16 Asian elephants we have here at the safari. So let's give them a nice warm welcome. Woo! Now you can tell an Asian elephant from their African relative due to their high dome foreheads, their slightly arched backs, and their smaller ears. Now to welcome you all here today, the elephants would like to give you a safari salute. Now before we begin with the demonstrations, we'd like to start with an introduction. First up, we have 15-year-old George. And next up, we have 7-year-old Chuck.
Oh.
He's getting his show off.
He's just show off.
Now elephants are still used today in the teak forest of Myanmar. They harvest wood from the forest and drag it down to the river where it floats to the nearest mill for processing. We're going to give you a working demonstration on how this is still done today. We'll slip the harness over his head. And George is going to pull this big log around the ring for us.
Pull the log. Easy, eh? For him?
Now, as you can see, elephants are quite powerful, and they are preferred over heavy machinery due to the fact that they are more maneuverable. They can also reach those high mountainous regions that other tractors and vehicles can't, while doing less damage to the surrounding forests. Now the harness George is wearing is much like the ones used today. This one is made of canvas, but they can also be made of leather, and it evenly distributes the weight across his shoulders and chest, so it's no problem for George to pull that heavy load. Now George is going to push the log back to the front for us. You might have noticed around the safari that some of our elephants have tusks. In the Asian species of elephants, only the males have the long visible tusks. The females have a shorter version, known as tushes. In the African species, both the males and the females have tusks. Elephant tusks are made of ivory, and ivory is extremely valuable. In recent years, the price of ivory has tripled. As a result, close to 100 elephants are killed per day in Africa for their ivory tusks. People have been using ivory for thousands of years to create things such as billiard balls, piano keys, and carvings.